Here we've got REALME 8, and let me show you how to remove all history from your Google Chrome. So first of all, you need to open the browser that you are using, so in my case Google Chrome. And now tap on More icon right here and click on History then. And all you need to do here is tap on Clear Browsing Data, and you will find Basic and Advanced options. Under Basic you will locate Browsing History, Cookies and Site Data, and also cached images and files. And there under Advanced, you'll find Saved Passwords, Autofill from Data, and Site Settings. Obviously you can unmark some of them if you want to, but I would like to clear everything, and then just set the time range. So here it is, mark time range, and you can remove history from last hour, past 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time, and I will choose all time and tap on Clear Data. Then confirm it by tapping on Clear, and that's it. As you can see, it has been done, so congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.